So who gave the promoters permission to keep a party on the Palisadoes Strip, the major access road to the Norman Manley International Airport? And where was the police to manage the traffic? TVJ's Herman Green has that angle of the story.
The authorities responsible for granting a permit for the Sands party along the Palisadoes Strip leading to the Norman Manley International Airport are all distancing themselves from the resulting traffic nightmare Monday night. TVJ News understands that the promoters for Sands received a permit from the KSAMC. According to KSAMC Chairman Delroy Williams, that was done after their main issue, parking, was addressed through a detailed plan between the airport's authority and the promoters.
And we felt that the parking provided by the airport to the promoters, that parking arrangement was adequate for the event and would not allow for parking along the main road. The police also gave permission for the event.
From our investigations, the police did sign off on the permit. However, the officers of the traffic division were not aware of the event until sometime Monday night when the chaos had already started. Head of the traffic division, SSP Calvin Allen, explained that his division still had officers out on sick leave, which posed an additional problem.
Initially, we thought it was just movement of vehicular traffic, people coming from the airport or going to the airport, until we learned afterwards that it was a function, a social event that was being held, which was causing the problem. So I had to pull resources from as far as the North-South Highway and other areas to see how best we could assist at that point to mitigate the situation.
Superintendent Courtney Kubri explains that for an event like this, the division would normally conduct a site visit before signing off on a permit.
You need to establish entry points, exit points, parking areas. All those things need to be established. So when persons come to the event, they know exactly where to enter, where to go and park and all of that. And after leaving, the exit points. If those things are not established, you must have chaos.
National Security Minister Robert Montague has requested a report from the police commissioner on the incident, which he has promised to make public. Both Mr. Montague and Commissioner George Quayle have issued apologies. In the meantime, the KSAMC says it has put a hold on issuing permits for events along the Norman Manley Boulevard as a short-term measure.
In the medium to long term, we will sit with the Norman Manley International Airport, with the JCF, with the Ministry of Local Government, the Ministry of Culture, and we will look at the issue along the Palisadoes main road in a more detailed way.
Herman Green, TVJ News.